That thing look good, boy.
You know, dirty, but...
How you doing, bro?
How you doing?
Good. Okay, this what you... Oh, you got plastics for it?
Yeah, I got everything for it.
Okay, what was wrong with it?
So I don't know what happened to it. It was running fine. Next thing I know, I drop it off home, come back the next day, and it just wouldn't start. So tried to figure that shit out myself. Of course, you see it didn't work out too well. But
So it just cut off on you?
it was, at first I thought it was just flooded, so I took out the spark plug. It was a little wet, so I did the procedure that I seen on YouTube to unflood it. But after that shit would just never start.
Okay. So, but before it ran good, or it ran perfect before?
Yeah, it ran fine. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't one kicker, and I had to kick it like 4 or 5 times, but...
Okay, but it's still, like,
yeah,
power-wise, it was...
Yeah, it was still good.
Okay. Okay.
But, other than that, though, like I said, it just gonna start, and I don't know what happened to it.
Okay. Okay, let's put it off real quick. Let's put it off. You said this is an old...
It's 04.
04.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I got you. Boom. All right. You say it got compression and everything though, or what you think?
Pretty good compression. I did fuck up this bolt right here though, and it actually gone. I did fuck that up, so I ain't been able to check it or nothing recently.
What, you stripped it?
Nah, it broke inside there, so I had to drill it out.
Oh, it broke inside.
Yeah. But yeah, compression, everything was good. I don't know what happened to it. It just stopped working.
So you were riding and it just stopped, right?
Nah, after I was done riding, I brought it home. Next thing I know, I came back home. It was looking. The next day it was all leaky and shit. So I was like, I don't know what's going on. So I took a look at it. Wouldn't start. Then,
but before you put it up, it ran perfect, right?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. Like I dropped it home. Next thing I know, I come back the next day. It was not start.
So pretty much like an overnight thing. You went back to start it, and that's when it.
Yeah.
But before then, it was good. When you okay. All right. All right, you got the gas tank and everything. Okay, you got a gas tank. Hey, your throttle feel good. I ain't even gonna lie. Your throttle feel real nice and snappy.
Yeah, I ain't.
Oh, you put a different copper.
So I had no idea.
Hold on, you put. Oh, this is another cop. This is a different copper on here.
Yeah, dude, I got it from. So he put some special.
Bro, what the hell? Oh, he got an electron on here. That's why. Okay. But you got an electron on here. That's why I knew your throttle was feeling like crazy. That feel good. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So that's pretty much it though. That's the only problem, just the not starting problem.
Yeah, that shit wouldn't start at first. Cause like I said, cause I hit you up a while ago, and then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna try to figure it out myself. Cause
oh yeah, you did hit me up before.
Yeah,
you hit me up before.
I was trying to learn, but at first, you know what I'm saying?
Right. And so when you hit me up the first time, you had went and tried it yourself just to try to.
I probably fucked it up worse. But, yeah, it had that ticking noise too, but that disappeared.
Okay.
I got it to start for like twice. That's it. After those 2 times, it didn't start up.
It was over with after that.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I see you bought the damn battery for real. Yeah, that thing look good though, bro.
Oh, yeah.
That's the 03, right?
That's the 03, yeah. That's what I was talking about in the video, man.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
It's clean, brother.
Man, I got like 3 bands in there right now too.
Really?
Yeah.
All I need is a carb cleaning, bro. You're gonna see.
Yeah, you seen what I did with that black one?
Yeah.
That black one wasn't worth shit when it came in here.
I peed, bro. Seen that.
Yeah, that black one, you know, it wasn't worth nothing.
Damn, though.
You know, that thing look good though. I'm not gonna lie, that thing look good, bro.
I use it as a trail bike and street, bro.
Oh man,
You know?
They gonna love this one. I'm not gonna lie, they gonna love that one.
The gram?
Yeah, they gonna love it. But that's oh yeah, I ain't even. Okay. Did it feel like you used to have more compression before that?
Yeah, it did. It did, but I guess it lost some of it or whatnot.
Yeah, because it is going down real easy. You know, I'm kicking it real easy. It's supposed to have some type of, a little bit more, like a little more compression than that. So, the next day when you went to start it, did the compression feel weaker?
Yeah, it did. I don't know what happened to it. Like I said, I don't even know. That's hard to explain because
Not really.
I took that shit home.
Yeah, I've asked him so much questions. You know, it's only so much. You know. But you know, I'm gonna do the special anyway. I'm gonna go through everything to make sure, you know, to double check.
That's why I already hit you up. I was talking to these other mechanics. Those dudes was already sounding iffy, so I was like, fuck that.
Nah, what they were saying? Cause a lot of people be saying, I like it. He told me the same thing. You know what I'm saying? I like asking people, like, what was they saying?
Dude basically pointed out to me that he's gonna check one thing only. You know what I'm saying? Cause like
He just gonna check one
He
thing?
wasn't gonna run through the whole thing and figure out the problem. Cause I was like, I don't know, it might be the valves or something like that. He's like, all right, I'm gonna check the valves. I'm like, but you the mechanic though, you supposed to.
So you kind of telling him like,
Like, you know, you're supposed to be able to
The same situation with me, bro.
You're supposed to be able to
shit.
figure out what's wrong instead of just doing one thing and then, all right, I didn't fix it.
it's like you the customer, you wouldn't tell him like, yeah, I think it's the valves, bro. And he like,
Yeah,
oh, I'm just gonna check the valves
I'll
then.
check the valves.
Man, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna check, man. We gonna check the. You said it got spark? Did you check spark?
Yeah, I got spark on here.
Okay, so it got spark. So I'm just gonna double check the spark though, just make sure. We gonna check the valve clearances. If it's not the valve clearances, then it might be something within the valve probably bent or your piston. Let's hop in. Simple as that. See?
You didn't even say nothing. Like, yeah, all right.
Yeah, simple as that. I told him the same thing when he brought his bike.
Yeah, I'm
You know, I just pulled his bike out.
And at first, he was talking about this price, and the next thing I know, I'm like, all right, I'm gonna bring it to you. And he was like, all right, nah, this price. I'm like, bro, I ain't even trying.
He playing games. See?
Yeah, I'm like,
They
I'm
do.
just-
Yeah, they do that.
They do.
They do that.
Get you.
I see why a lot of people come to me. Like I told you, man. I
It's
do
worth
it.
an hour, bro.
Yeah, I do it the
You
right
know?
way.
You know?
The right way.
That's exactly what I was saying. I was like, I might as well take it to somebody who's gonna run through the entire thing.
Yeah, I'm not half stepping. I'm not just gonna check valves and
Full bike inspection.
yeah, we gonna check everything. We'll make sure everything perfect. But that electronic carburetor, yeah, that's a good carburetor. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do my thing with it though. I'm gonna run through everything. You know, I got your number. I'm gonna lock you in.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock you in. Just text me what you want me to lock you in on. I'm
All right, cool.
gonna lock you in.
Yeah, though, but you said it's gonna take you time. I don't care. I just want it fixed.
Yeah, that was just like a little estimate. You know, it might not even take me that long to get to it. I might have been and got to it by tomorrow. Just like I did his bike.
Shit, a week, bro.
Yeah,
Not even,
it
bro.
ain't, you know.
3 days before.
I just like giving you a little more leeway just in case, you
Yeah,
know.
I understand.
But yeah, we definitely good. I'm gonna grab the gas tank. And you want me to put them plastics on?
You want to? It don't matter. I can put them on there. I got the bolts and shit.
Oh, you don't got the seat with you too, ain't it?
yeah, see that.
Oh, you got the seat, everything?
I got it.
I'm about to see too for TRX, man.
Oh, you bought the seat? Oh, yeah, you might gonna pull. Okay, I got you. Okay, yeah, you had to bring that.
Essential.
All the plastics in there.
Okay, you got
Yeah.
the screws and everything for it?
Yeah, I tied them up in a little bag.
Okay, I'll put it on for you. I'll put the screws, I'll put the plastic and everything on.
Oh,
Yeah, we'll do everything. Yeah, his start, bro. His starter feel good.
Yeah, I just brought a little bit of gas because there ain't no gas.
Nah, you good. I got gas.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, you at the right place, bro. I'm not gonna take gas from you. Yeah, we good.
What year's the bike, bro? 04?
04. But his starter feel, that Electron got his starter feeling real good. I'm not gonna lie. But y'all already know, man. We gonna take care of him. When y'all see this bike next time, it's gonna be first kit. You know what I'm saying? With the V-Touch. Yeah, for 04, this bike feel good though, bro. It look good too. Oh, they used to race on the track?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, this thing look put together real good. Real good. Definitely for a 04 for real.
Yeah, I only had it for like a month and then that shit died out, so I thought something happened or I'm a shitty rider.
Oh, you only had it for a month?
Yeah.
Let me check the, I didn't even check the coolant. Let me see how the coolant, it got coolant in it?
Yeah, it got cool in there.
Okay, so boom. That's a good sign right there that it's holding coolant. So, you know, it can't be a head gasket or nothing. Cause usually, if a bike come to me and it don't have coolant in it,
Yeah.
you know, that could be a sign of a head gasket that went bad or something like that.
Yeah, hopefully it ain't nothing too serious.
Yeah, it's still like the motor not locked or nothing, so it can't be nothing crazy. You know, now, this other guy, I don't know what he was what he was talking about, but you know, I'm gonna take care of it though, bro.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take care of it.
I've been following you on YouTube for a while. I'm like, you know, fuck it, I'm not gonna do that.
Yeah, I see. Like you said, you been hit me up too.
Yeah.
You been hit me up, bro.
Then I took it, I was like, fuck it, I just, cause I'm more into trying to learn shit myself. So I was
Yeah,
like,
yeah, me
just
too.
see,
Hey, that's
get
how-
some other shit first.
Hey, that's only right. That's how I got started.
I was like, damn, fuck it, I'm gonna just try, cause you know, YouTube the best teacher.
Yeah.
And you get to the point where I couldn't figure that shit out. So I'm like, fuck it.
YouTube like a cheat code, bro. It show you
Yeah, it is.
everything.
I ain't gonna lie, it does. I learned a lot of shit off YouTube.
And you more hands-on on YouTube. Like, it gonna make you get hands-on. You know what I'm saying? So,
Yeah. Obviously, I ain't.
nah, it ain't nothing wrong with trying it yourself, though, bro. There's not nothing wrong with trying it, bro.
But like fuck it, cause other dude was playing. I'm like, fuck it, I'm just gonna do it. I already see the results on YouTube, so I know everybody be happy anyway. So
Man, every bike that come through here, man.
Yeah.
Like, his bike is perfect right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, his bike perfect right now. He can't even pick this up. And that's a cold start too. That's a cold start. See how nice and how the idle is, just nice and smooth.
That's the thing too. That shit with an idle. That's another thing too, because when I got back the next day, it wasn't starting, but I got it to start after like fucking 50 kicks, and then that shit wouldn't hold idle. I had to keep.
You keep hitting the gas,
yeah,
like burn.
Yeah.
Okay, see.
And it would do, and then it would stop.
So it wasn't smooth. It wasn't idle at all.
Yeah, no, it wasn't idle at all.
Okay, now let me ask you this: when you first got the bike, right?
Yeah.
When you first got the bike, was it idling good and everything?
Yeah, that shit was idling.
Okay, now I'm gonna tell you what that could be, because that's a sign of like the valves might need to be adjusted. If it's doing that, if it's not idling real good, you had to keep hitting the gas.
Yeah.
That's a sign of valve adjustment.
I tried doing that.
Oh, you tried doing it?
Yeah, I tried doing that. I probably ain't do it too
Oh, okay.
because I took the top end off, but I ain't.
Okay, now, as in the top end, you took the whole top end off, or just the
cap?
oh, just a little cover?
Yeah, just the cover right there. And then I tried doing that shit myself. It didn't have with the feeler gauge, it wouldn't go through, but the two that I put in there now, it goes through, but I think it's too loose.
Oh, okay. Okay. But you gotta start somewhere, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You gotta start somewhere.
I was like, fucking I'm gonna try.
Nah, you ain't. You're not the worst one I seen, bro. I see some people come through here with some real stuff that try stuff themselves, bro. But
Shit,
you know.
Yeah. As long as I ain't fuck it up too bad, I'm cool.
Now let me ask you this: did you put the timing back right?
Yeah. I think I did.
You put the time. So you just want me to put it run through everything, make sure it's back.
Yeah, please, if you don't mind.
Okay.
I just need that shit running again.
You just need. You need that thing first kick idling good and. Yeah, y'all, I ain't gonna lie, he did his thing though, man. He ain't do the worst, the worst of the worst. I done seen people come through here touching stuff. That bike downly about to blow up, man. The motor about to blow up.
To be honest, I was gonna keep trying to work on it, and then I was like, I can't figure that shit out. And then I was looking into cleaning the carburetor and stuff like that, and I was like, man, I ain't taking the bike apart that much.
I know. See, that's the thing that come with learning. I went through the same thing, bro. When I first learned how to do valve adjustments and all that. Cause valve adjustment, like what it'll do, it'll trick you and make you think it's the carburetor. Cause the bike will be bogging, not idling, so you be like, damn, I need to clean the carburetor out. You know what I'm saying? When the whole time it'll be the valve just not adjusted right.
That's probably what it is.
You know, with a 4-stroke, 2-stroke, you know, it's a little different.
Yeah.
With bog is just a carburetor, spark plug or something. But in this case, you know, it's 4-stroke, could be the valves. You got an electron carburetor, so the carburetor definitely is perfect. You know, that's a good carburetor. That's a real good carburetor, especially when we find out what's the issue of why it's doing that. Man, this bike gonna run perfect, bro.
Like I said, I don't know too much, but dude did tell me that he did put some special carburetor on there.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he wasn't lying. I'm not gonna lie. He definitely wasn't lying. Definitely got a nice carburetor, special carburetor on there.
Yeah, but other than that, like I said, the main problem is it won't start, it won't idle. That shit is leaking. As you can see right now, it's leaking.
The little oil, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's about it.
Well, other than that, it never locked up on you, nothing. The motor never locked or anything.
Nah.
Okay.
I never do no crazy damage to it. I fell off that bitch once, that's it.
That's it, just took one little fall?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, okay, clutch feel good, everything. Okay, this is a pretty solid bike. I'm not gonna lie, as I'm looking at it, it's pretty solid. The electric start work?
It did, and so how I was doing it, like I said, you know, I ain't too knowledgeable on everything, but open the thing down there, clutch in, gas a little bit, and then I hit it. Then I put the thing back up.
But it just stopped working?
Yeah, it worked. I had to press that twice for it to do it. I figured the whole time I was never doing it right, is why.
That's why.
It took me twice.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's good. You got an electric start too. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
That thing is, boy. That thing be perfect. It's gonna crank right up. Boom.
Like I told you, because at first it took like 4 to 5 kicks to do that shit. I'm like,
damn.
yeah.
Yeah. See, that can get you exhausting, bro. That's exhausting. You just want your
like
bike.
I said, it's a good thing to have that, because when you learn it, you got to go through that stalling out process. So it's good when you in the road, you just fucking you hit that button, you got to stop and kick.
Just hit that E start and just
yeah.
you know. Especially if your bike not good, bro. I'm not gonna lie. If your bike not good and your bike take too much kicks,
You can't be in the road doing all that.
Oh man. Yeah, that boy, that ain't gonna be a good look. Especially nowadays.
Yeah, right.
You know, a lot of lemon stuff. People gonna be want to send me the video and stuff.
Yeah, nah, I ain't trying to end up like that.
Nah, man, we good, bro. Nah, we good, man. Yeah, man, y'all let me know what y'all think, man. On the 2004 CRF250, man. This is an X though, right?
Yeah.
250X. On the CRF250X, y'all. You know, this thing look mint to me, you know what I'm saying? It look pretty mint, but y'all leave a comment and let me know y'all take on this, man. But y'all already know, man. Get it in Gear Cycles. South Florida vibe. We're gonna give that thing that V-touch. But other than that, we're gonna go from there.